Welcome to a little extra practice. I'm Dr. Thomas Little. Today we're going to focus on mode. Mode is the number that occurs the most in a set of data. It is the number that is the most common. It's not the greatest, it's the number that occurs the most. There's more of that number than any other number. Let's take a look at the numbers to the right. We have 154, 169, 173, 154. Looks like there's more than one 154. 161, 172, 159, 155. There's two 154s. All the other numbers occur once. The mode for this would be 154. Second set of data, 8 and 6/10, 8 and 6/10, 7 and 5/10, 7 and 3/10, 7 and 7/10, 7 and 3/10, so that's a repeater, and 7 and 9/10. In this case, 8.6, 8 and 6/10, and 7 and 3/10 both occur twice. So we have a tie, 8 and 6/10 and 7 and 3/10. What we call that is bimodal. B-I-M-O-D-A-L. That means two modes. 8 and 6/10, 7 and 3/10 would be the two modes in that. Looking at the final set of data, 12, 13, 15, 14, 11, 10, 9, 8, 16. Every number occurs one time only, so in this case there would be no mode. They all occur only one time. No number occurs more than any of the others, so in this case we can have no mode. This is the class grades for a recent math test. Our job is to find the mode, or the most common score, for the kids. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the numbers. I'm going to group them, and as I write them down, I'm going to cross them off. There's two 78s. I don't see any other 78. Moving on, 86. Cross that off. It looks like there's one more 86. So right now, those are the two modes. 90, write that down. There's another 90. Third 90, or so right now 90 is the mode. Okay, moving on. 84. 84. Here's the third 84. Okay, here's another 84. So right now there's four 84s, so that's my mode. That's the number that occurs the most. 100, I only see one of those. 82, that's it for 82. 72, okay. 80, nope, nothing else for 80. I've crossed out this 100, I forgot to do that. 88, nothing. 94, and then we can see we're done. Okay, 91, 76. So clearly 84 is the mode. There's four kids that scored an 84 on the math test. Takes a little bit longer, but by doing this, you're going to ensure that you're going to get the correct answer. Taking a look at another data set. What is the mode for this data set? The age of guests at a birthday party. If we were looking for the number that occurs the most, it looks like there's 5 marks above the age of 9. And it looks like there's 1 mark above 13. We are not looking for the greatest, we're looking for the most common. So in this case, the mode, there would have been 5 guests the age of 9. So the answer would be 9. Don't fall into the trap. It's not the most as in the greatest, it's the most common.